everyone. I am Phu Nư, counselor. Today, I would like to share with you about happiness and also a guide to live a happy life from successful people. A happy life can mean different things to different people, but there are some common principles and practices that many successful individuals have shared as contributing to their happiness. Here is a guide to a happy life based on insights from some of the most successful people. Number 1. Define your own success. Understand that success and happiness are deeply personal. Don't let society or others dictate what success means for you. Take the time to define your own values and goals. Number 2, set clear goals. Successful people often have clear, specific, and achievable goals. Setting and working hard towards these goals can give your life purpose and direction. Number 3, prioritize health and well-being. Without good health, it's challenging to be happy or successful. Prioritize physical health through exercise, a balanced diet, and regular checkups. Mental well-being is equally important, so practice mindfulness, manage stress, and seek support when needed. Number 4, work-life balance. Find a balance between work and personal life. Overworking can lead to burnout and negatively impact your happiness. Make time for family, friends, hobbies, and relaxation. Number 5, continuous learning. Successful individuals often have a growth mindset. They see challenges as opportunity for learning and personal development. Pursue education, read books, attend seminars, and seek new experiences. Number 6, gratitude. Cultivate gratitude for what you have. Successful people often take time to reflect on their blessing, which can push happiness. Consider keeping a gratitude journal or simply taking a few moments each day to appreciate the positive in your life. Number 7, positive relationships. Nurturing positive, meaningful relationships is crucial for your happiness. Surround yourself with people who support and uplift you. Invest time in building and maintaining connections with families and friends. Number 8, financial responsibility. Financial stability is important for peace of mind. Manage your finance wisely, save for the future, and live within your means. Financial stress can be a major happiness deterrent. 9, giving back. Many successful people find happiness in giving back to their communities or causes they care about. Consider volunteering, donating, or engaging in acts of kindness. 10, resilience. Life is full of ups and downs. Developing resilience allows you to bounce back from setbacks and maintain a positive outlook. Embrace failure as learning experiences and don't let them define your happiness. 11, work passionately. If you are in a career you are passionate about, it's easier to find happiness in your work. If possible, pursue a career that aligns with your interests and values. 12, mindfulness and meditation. Practicing mindfulness and meditations can help you stay present and reduce stress. Many successful people incorporate these practices into their daily routine. 13, celebrate achievements. Recognize and celebrate your achievements, no matter how small they seem. Acknowledging your progress can boost your self-esteem and happiness. 14. Adaptability. Be open to change and adapt to new circumstances. Successful people often embrace change as an opportunity for growth rather than resisting it. 15. Stay true to yourself. Be authentic and true to your values. Trying to be someone you are not can lead to unhappiness. Embrace your uniqueness and stay true to your principles. Remember that happiness is just a journey, not a destination. It's important to regularly reassess your goals and priorities as they may evolve over time. The key is to create a life that aligns with your values and brings you a sense of fulfillment and contentment. Okay, now, why happiness is just a journey? The phrase encapsulates the idea that happiness is not a fixed endpoint that can be reached and then maintained indefinitely. Instead, it suggests that happiness is an ongoing, dynamic process that is influenced by our attitudes, actions, and experiences throughout our lives. Here is a more in-depth explanation of why happiness is considered a journey. Number 1, constant change. Life is constantly changing. There are ups and downs, success and failure, joys and sorrows. If we view happiness as a destination, we might think that we can achieve a permanent state of bliss. However, this is not realistic because life is filled with unpredictable events and circumstances. Number 2, adaptation. Humans are remarkably adaptable. We can quickly become accustomed to positive change in our lives, which can lead to a diminishing return on happiness. This phenomenon is known as the hedonic treadmill. For example, when we achieve a long-desired goal, like getting a promotion or buying a new car, the initial happiness boost tends to fade as we adapt to the new circumstances. Number 3, continuous growth. Personal growth and development are important aspects of a fulfilling life. A journey implies progress, learning, and self-discovery. When we see happiness as a journey, we understand that it involves personal growth and pursuit of new goals and experiences. Number 4, mindfulness and presence. Happiness often arises from being present and mindful in the moment. When we focus too much on achieving a specific destination, we may neglect to appreciate the journey itself. The everyday experiences, connections, and small joys that contribute to our well-being. Number 5, multiple dimensions. Happiness is a multidimensional concept. It encompasses various aspects of life, such as relationships, career, health, personal values, and more. These dimensions are interconnected and can change over time. Therefore, achieving happiness is an ongoing process of balancing and harmonizing these aspects. Number 6, evolving goals. Our goals and desires change as we grow and evolve. What makes us happy at one stage of life may not be the same at another. Embracing the journey of happiness means being open to re-evaluating and adjusting our goals and priorities as we move through different life phases. Number 7, resilience. Happiness is a journey. Encourage resilience. Life is filled with challenges and setbacks, and viewing happiness as a destination might make us feel like failure when we encounter difficulties. On the journey, we learn to bounce back from adversity and find happiness in the face of challenges. Finally, enjoying the process. By focusing on the journey, we learn to appreciate the process of working towards our goals rather than fixating solely on the end result. This can lead to greater sense of fulfillment and satisfaction on our daily life. Finally, in summary, happiness is a journey because it is a dynamic and evolving experience that encompasses the ups and downs of life. Embracing this perspective encourages us to live in the present, adapt to change, grow as individuals, and find happiness in the journey itself rather than fixating on a distant destination. It allows us to appreciate the richness of life's experiences, both positive and negative, as they contribute to our overall well-being. And hopefully you enjoyed the topic and find happiness in your life. See you next time.